Handling returns on Printify involves understanding their policies and effectively communicating with your customers. Here's how to manage returns smoothly. Understand Printify's return policy. Printify generally does not accept returns for custom products unless there is a manufacturing error or a defect. Familiarize yourself with their policies to communicate them clearly to your customers. Communicate with customers. If a customer requests a return, promptly respond to their inquiry. Ask for details regarding the issue, such as photos of the product to assess whether it qualifies for a return under Printify's policy. Initiate a replacement or refund. If the return is due to a manufacturing error, you can issue a replacement or refund. Log into your Printify account, navigate to the order in question, and follow the process for handling refunds or replacements. Update your store policies. Clearly outline your return policy on your online store to set customer expectations. Include information on how to handle defective items and the steps for initiating a return. Learn from feedback. Use return requests as an opportunity to improve your products and customer service. Address any common issues to reduce future returns.